Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone GT20 Pro with Cyber Mecha design with Mecha Loop LED interface. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 94.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, and scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel 24mm Samsung HM6 wide angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with the 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with rear quad LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 22mm centered punch hole wide-angle front camera with front dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 2K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14 screen on top the device. The company provides with 2 major Android upgrades and 3-year security patch updates. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. The device is equipped with a custom gaming display chip, the Pixelworks X5 Turbo, utilizing MEMC and game optical optimization technology to achieve up to 120 FPS gaming frame rates. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB virtual RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 75.43 by 8.15 mm, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options Mecha Silver, Mecha Orange, Mecha Blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt hyper-fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with tuned by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, an X-axis linear motor for in-game vibration. Infinix said that Free Fire, Call of Duty, COD, and PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, PUBG, can reach up to 90 FPS, while Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, MLBB, Genshin Impact, and Honkai Star Rail can reach up to 120 FPS, customizable RGB LEDs on the back, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix GT20 Pro has been priced starts from 1,299 Saudi Riyal. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix GT20 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.